Welcome to Lake Lanier. You like it here?
Hindi nakikita na ganyan ba? Kasi kayo natin maray dapay.
Itong akin parang binbit talaga siya. Habang pinag-uusapan namin yung business namin. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another day in the life of an immigrant family here in the USA. So for today guys, nandito po ang aking family from Canada. Today ay may konting gala lang kami. We will just go to Helen, Georgia and to Cleveland. Magka-coffee lang, ganyan lang. Kasi for today, goal lang namin ay mamasyal lang dito sa mga malapit na lugar para maaga kami makauwi and all of that. Anyway, let's go!
But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around.
Welcome to Lake Lanier. Ang ganda na ng foliage. Oh, yellow na yung mga dahon. Dito kami nagbe-breakfast. Nung nandito si Dana, dito kami nag-breakfast. And then, when Lala was here, we had our picnic here. See, it's so nice, no? Oh, may boat pa kayo in the background.
Nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time
They only have
is
cows?
that ever since July.
Umu! Very excited ba, Ning? Nag-boots ka kumagarod. Na-scam kan, Mishi. It's Tito Robert now. You thought it's Tito still holding you, ah. You got scammed. Look. Look. Get the bunny.
Did you get spit on? What did it do? What did it do?
Be careful ah.
Ate.
This reminds me of something.
Yeah. The farm girl.
Oh, dumadayo pa tayo. Kung nasa Ilocos lang tayo, nandun lang sa tabi-tabi yung oh, feed the cow, feed. Oh, feed the cow.
Hindi nakikita na ganyan ba? Kasi kayo natin maray dapay.
To, hindi pinapaita. Pinapaita.
Bolala!
Lala. Nag-game. Lala.
Nagutom ako nung nakita ko yung baka. Eh, Jay, palengke. Yung nandun sa gilid ng highway, yung doon, mga sinanglaw. Where's the cow? This. Where? You like it here? This.
Kapatikim lang nila sa'yo yung sarang maliit na kutsara.
Ah, yung libre.
Ano man, nakirap tatay. Yung kwadro tatay niya babae, sakbay ka na gordel.
Uy, no, sarap.
Anong nuts
Robert, the salted caramel is good.
Because of the nuts.
We will see how they package their milk. Oh, nobody's working. It's Sunday kasi.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow.
We got another postcard. Papadala namin kila mama ko. And then, we got this scarf para pang kumot ni Mishi dahil yung kumot niya ay naiwan namin kanina sa kitchen. Akala ko dala ko yung kanina. Nandito sa may kitchen dining table eh. Ay, dining chair.
Candlelights would glow when we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
Ganda dito sa Helen kasi yung vibes niya ay parang Banff downtown. Dami ng tao ngayon kasi weekend. Dapat pala weekdays kami nagpunta dito. Tsaka perfect yung weather sa lamig. Kaysa sa summer kami magpunta dito, mainit. Di mo ma-enjoy yung maglakad-lakad dito kapag mainit.
Tatawid tayo.
Ganda dito, guys. Tsaka maganda yung weather, malamig. So, nakaka-enjoy. Kaysa kapag summer ka pumunta dito.
Talikod mo ah.
Mas pasago kayo na eh.
Oh. Ang ganda dito, oh. Ate, no running. Oh, children's menu. 10 years and younger only.
How we doing, y'all?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Adam. I'll be taking care of y'all, okay? Can get y'all something to drink?
Something to drink, Daddy.
Sweet or unsweet?
Mukhang masarap yung rib eye black Angus, no? Ngam nagninas sis. Mas potato kanyak ta salad ka. Hati tayo.
Hindi, dalawa yan.
Oo nga pala, no? Bili ka na din ng french fries. Wow. Daddy, mainit yung cheese, Daddy.
Dad tax.
Dad tax. Bigay mo muna yung tax ng daddy mo. Siya muna titikim. Wow, gutom na gutom ah.
Sama lang English. Medyo Kung may boss, ano na mag-gusto. Angin to.
Putulin mo na, di, para manguya niya.
Link naman na mamalay.
Gudoan taman, sister. Let's pray. Celebration for the school. Magabi ng tananay kagkararat. Baka nubigat na nga mga kapangko. New York strip. Rib eye. What's yours? Rib eye.
Rib eye.
Rib eye. Chicken for the two girls. Chicken and cheese sticks. Nanok na. Quanta medium rare.
Hindi ko ito di KFC na imat pa.
Already coleslaw ti Big Mac.
Ay, masakit ka na taba-taba na kagayip-yip.
New York strip tikwa. Coding ang tingnan niya. Yun mo. Itong akin parang binbit talaga siya. Ang tigas. Matulnok.
Sinabi ko sa taba-taba na kanyang-kanyang puro kami.
It's okay, Daddy.
Utang na yun.
No, salt and pepper.
Kami pinta naman ng nukal, di ko nagtimol.
Hi, family. Chicago River, no? Uwi na kami guys. We enjoyed it here. Ang ganda. Ang daming pwedeng pagpicturean. Pero more on ano talaga dito. Parang yung pupunta ka dito para with your friends, inuman, ganun. Ang daming mga pub and restaurants na parang yung kinainan namin is beside the river. Hindi nga lang kami pwedeng magstay doon sa may bintana nila na tabi ng river kasi yung number namin is big. So kung 4 lang sana, 4 lang kasi yung sa table nila.
Tend to tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be tonight. It's all I need. Somebody that'll only care for me. Somebody I can give a time and ring. Someone in this puzzle who can be my missing piece. You know it.
Ayan na si ate, writing na sa kanyang postcard that we will send to Edmonton.
This is Lishi writing.
Ala, wrong ate, that's for address.
No, this part is.
Wrong! Iisa lang bawan din yung binili ko. That's where the address goes. Oh, you put na lang the address here on top, make it small na lang. Can you?
Kamangalati ko lang.
Wait. Tomorrow na lang, we will buy tomorrow, white out.
Pad paper, tapos
Tomorrow na lang.
okay. Na po guys.
So naman, dinadugyot naman to, tinuturo nito.
Or yung dugdong na lang ni Mickey. Tinawag ano to?
Sticky.
Sticky ata yun.
Sticky kulangot.
Pinalapot ng ng panahon.
Dargi. Where's your farmer? Oh, show mommy the farmer. Show mommy the farmer. This.
Kapag,
Take your pinky off. Alright. Fishball and kikiam night. Tingnan mo naman pinaglagyan. Talagang ano naman talaga. Yung basin talaga. Pang-adjuma kimchi.
Manay ng pan.
Ayan. Tapos yung sauce namin. Manong sauce. With suka with onion. Tapos ito yung lumpia-nada nila na fail daw. Kaya lumpia na lang daw. Drinks natin. Calamansi.
Marami pa sarap.
Ayan na.
Hindi talaga siya naging perfect.
So, kain muna kami ng fishball and kikiam habang pinag-uusapan namin yung business namin na God knows kung kailan pa siya matutupad. Dami palang requirements.